Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to scan a QR code on TCL Plex. Scanning a QR code is really simple. You just need to go to Google Lens. To go to Google Lens, either click on the Google Lens button on your Google widget on your home screen. This is the button with this camera. Or if you don't have the widget, the Google widget, go to Google app and you can find the Google Lens here. Click on it, then search with your camera, open camera, allow, and now I'm gonna get my QR code here and scan it. After I hover over it, you can see that this link shows up. I can click on it, then click on accept and continue, and as you can see, I'm in the link. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.